This video will cover the installation method for MaxLite's L-Max Linear Luminaire using the T-Grid suspension mount. For each installation method, please refer to the product datasheet and the component configurator located on the L-Max Resources section of the website. You can also reach out to a MaxLite representative for help choosing the correct set of components for your application. To begin, we'll turn off the power at the circuit breaker before installing. Next, we'll remove multiple tiles from the grid ceiling to allow for easy access. From here, we'll install the assembled T-Grid clips and our junction box. Be sure to use support wires to secure the clips to the building structure. Now, we can reinstall the tiles we removed earlier. Then, install the 2-inch canopy and suspension cable to the clip. As we work on the other side, use the 4.3-inch canopy as a guide to drill a hole for the power cord. Follow up by inserting the bushing and secure the canopy with threaded sleeve on the cable end. Next, we'll remove the wiring plate located on the top of the luminaire. Connect the male plug on the power cord to the female socket inside the fixture. Now, we can tighten the 2 lock screws on the male plug with a flathead screwdriver. From here, we'll snap the power cord sheath onto the plate before attaching the plate to the fixture's body. Finish up by securing the luminaire to the suspension cable. Next, make your wiring connections as indicated in the diagrams included in the instruction manual. Once done, install the junction box cover. To complete the installation, reinstall ceiling tiles before turning on the circuit breaker and testing that the luminaire is functioning properly. That's it! Please visit our website for more information on the L-Max Linear Luminaire and other MaxLite products. Thanks for watching!